Data-driven insight on Olympic sports participation and performance. This is my non-Mudran project. Myself, Battala Praveen from Arjun College of Technology. An overview about my project. This is my introduction about the project. Modern Olympic Games and Olympic are leading international sports. This is the purpose which I created, and this is the literacy survey which I conducted among the students. Existing problem statement which I created and I written. Ideation proposed solution. For ideation proposed solution, I created an empathy map. Based on the Olympic sport game, I created empathy map. Brainstorm and idea prioritization template. This is the team gathering template. Brainstorm and idea listening and grouping template. Idea prioritization template. These are the requirement analysis, fundamental requirements, data collection and integration, data analysis and visualization, user interface, athlete profiling, sports and event analytics, factors impacting success, production models, export and sharing. These are the things. Non-fundamental requirements, performance, scalability, reliability, security, usability, and so on. When we come to the project designing phase, this is the data flow diagram which I created based on the Olympic sport game, Olympic data source and athlete DB, Olympic database, Olympic analytics, data collection and cleanup, Olympic sports data warehouse. This is the link which I created. Data flow diagram for reference I put it here. These are the fundamental requirements on user P and medium. Solution architecture. This is the solution architecture based on the Olympic sport game by using the IBM Cognitive Analytics and database and visualization and cognitive analytics and manpower. I created architecture and data flow of price data driven on-site and Olympic sports participation. This is also one of the architecture. Project planning and scheduling phase. This is the technical architecture. User interface, application logic and logic 1, logic 2 and so on. A one by one flow from starting to ending. Components and technologies. The components and technology which are used in this project: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Java, Python, IBM Watson, MySQL, IBM Database 2, other API, and other technology which I used here. I mentioned all those things here. Sprint planning and estimation. Sprint planning, backlogging, reporting, and sprint before selecting work, task breakdown, estimation. All those things comes under sprint and estimations. Story point, deal days, t-shirt sizing, planning, poker, relative sizing. These all comes under the Olympic sport. Sprint delivery schedule for making more impact on the sports. Release date and dependency and buffer contingency. This is the coding and solution. This is the code which I used in this program for creating the website. By using HTML program, I created a website for the for mentioning all those things which are comes under the Olympic sport game, which are the needed for players, and what are the things we are going to implement, and what are the things which are lacking under the grounds or sports. What are the implement we are going to implement all those things I mentioned in the website. This is the performance testing. After I created the dashboard design. These are the dashboard design screenshots. Then data responses. These are the screenshots for those set. And DBMS I connected to the database. So these are the things which I calculated for the based on the height, weight, and age limit. Based on the body mass index, I created and I taken screenshots and I put it here. Utilization of data filters. These are the screenshots which I mentioned. Effective user story. I created a story. This is the story screenshots. which I created for the mentioning the sports. Descriptive report result. These are the output for the screenshot of all those things I put it here. I was mentioned, and these are the advantages and disadvantages. They detect and correct the errors from data sets with the help of data cleaning. This helps in improving quality of data, helps in displaying relevant advertisements on the online website based on the historic data and purpose behavior of the users. Disadvantage: due to formal geographical or historical changes, analysis may be vary. The cost of data analytics tools may be applications and features supported. The information obtained using data analytics can be misused against a group of people, certain country or community. This is a conclusion which I created. The main objective of the study was analysis and visualization of the factors which contribute the evolution of Olympic Games over the years. Visualization of the factors has been explained, validated, and analysis in various graphics formats like a line graph, future scope. This is the future scope. We all know that the analysis is not perfect and it is consists of some limitations which defines the future scope of research work. So we have visualized our data only in graphical format. We can also describe the data in other formats like geographical format, where we can adapt the countries in the world map. This is the code which I used in the my project. After creating, I will put here my project demo link also. Thank you.